Today is all about drawing faces loosely and quickly to capture the essence of a face, but in your own unique style. So I'm going to be walking you through the process that I use for drawing faces. I actually have my coffee today to match the cat because Bear is always my little helper in these videos. So I am going to flip the camera over and I'm going to get started and I'm going to walk you through the process. So I hope you join me. I'm going to do 3 practice faces here and walk you through it. The first thing you're going to do is draw a circle and then half an oval beneath it. So I'm going to do that 3 times. Just a circle, and then underneath the circle is half an oval, which is going to be the lower part of the face and the chin. Now at the bottom of the circle, you're going to draw a line to map out where the nose is going to be located. So I'm doing that on each of the circles. Now if you divide the circle in half, you're going to map out where those eyes are going to be. Just going to draw lines to map out the eyes. Then you're going to go halfway between the nose and the chin, and you're going to draw a line to map out the mouth. Now I'm just eyeballing where the neck might be on these faces. I'm not looking for exact perfection here. I am just creating a neck and the outline of a shoulder. Now it's time to play with the eyebrows. I'm trying to draw different shapes for the eyebrows. As you can see, straight lines, curved lines, and small arches. Then I go in and I map out the eyeballs. I don't draw pupils or anything like that. I'm just doing one dark circle. Some of the eyes are looking one way and some are looking the other. So I'm just trying to create different facial expressions on each of these faces by playing with the shapes of the eyebrows and the eyes and the mouth. Now you can leave the nose as a simple line, or you can do what I'm doing, which is I'm drawing a little circle over the nose and then little half circles next to it. I'm also drawing the bridge of the nose by bringing a line down from the front corners of the eyebrows to that little line. I map the ears in by simply drawing a line by the corner of the eye and the bottom of the nose, and that is just the generalized area where to start and end the ear. Don't be afraid to try different shapes and sizes for the lips. So just experiment with that because I think it can affect the look, the overall look and emotion that each of these faces gives off. Now I'm using pastel pencil and color pencil to shade in the cheeks. I'm trying different areas of the cheeks to see if I can create different looks for each of the faces. I'm finishing off the sketch with hair, so I'm trying hair down and then hair in a bun on the side and a bun on the top. So I'm just playing with that to see how that creates a different look for each of these faces. And just want to remind everyone that the sketchbook is meant to play around so you can improve on your skills. So that's where you really want to try new things and experiment with different art supplies, papers, different shapes for the faces, and see what you can come up with.